Welcome to the IFN Dhaba. Today we are going to be making a chicken stuffed Keema Paratha. Parathas are a real treat and welcome at any time. And especially when it is a stuffed paratha, it is a different taste altogether. So let's see how we make the chicken paratha. So now first we light the gas. And we add very little oil, I would say about 1 teaspoon, waiting for the pan and the oil to get heated nicely. We now add in 1 teaspoon of finely cut ginger. We add in 1.5 teaspoon of finely cut garlic. We add in 2 chilies, diced. You can see that the color has nicely changed. We don't want a dark brown color. And now we add in some diced onions. So these are about 2 medium-sized onions. Now we cook the onions nicely. Basically try and do this recipe in a non-stick pan because we use minimum oil in this. I add in a teaspoon of salt so the onions get done faster. Now you can see the changing of color of the onions. We'll just cook it a little more. Now we add in the chicken keema, which is about 250 grams. I lower the flame. One teaspoon red chilli powder, now we add in 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, one teaspoon of jeera powder, we have to let the chicken mince cook for about 5 minutes. Keeping it on slow flame, I'll just cover it for about 2 to 3 minutes. So now we'll just check our chicken mince. Yes, it's done. So now for this mince, I have not added any water. It has cooked in the water as well as the juice of the chicken. Now I just garnish it with coriander leaves. And I give it a quick mix. I add in some more coriander leaves. So I'll just wait to dry it out a little, because we don't want any liquid. So you can see we have dried out the chicken mince completely. It's absolutely dry and not at all moist. So now I will shut the gas and I will remove this in a plate so that it can cool nicely. Once it cools nicely, then we can roll it into a paratha. So you can see the chicken keema stuffing has been made and it has cooled also. So now we will get ready to do the paratha. Now this is wheat dough which has there's no salt, there is no oil. The kneading has been done just with plain water. So now I will roll out this and we will start doing the stuffing. So now we start to roll out the paratha. I will just get the tawa here and we will just turn on the gas and let it heat till I roll out the paratha. So here it's a small portion of the dough you take, dust it in the wheat flour, and just roll it out. Then we take the filling . You fold it in from the sides, pick it up and fold it in. Dust it . And we gently keep pressing it, and then just with a very light hand roll it out. In case you see any cracks, you don't have to get worked up. You can just add a little flour. So here our paratha is ready. Preferably try and make this paratha on a non-stick. Now we just flip it onto the other side. You take some clarified butter, ghee, lower the flame. Just poke it a little for the ghee to seep inside. Flip it onto the other side. Now we shut the gas, and here is the chicken stuffed Keema Paratha. It's absolutely lip smacking and very delectable. So please do try it. And if you like this recipe, subscribe to India Food Network. Till next time, goodbye.